Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by confirming the essentials and starting pairing now. Make sure your phone has the Google TV app installed and is on the same Wi-Fi network as the Android TV. Once done, turn on the Android TV and sign into the same Google account so devices can authenticate. Open the app on your phone and tap the Cast or Connect icon. It will immediately search for nearby Android TV devices. You do this to enable device discovery and secure pairing before entering any codes. Once you see the target Android TV in the app, tap its name to initiate the connection. The TV will display a pairing code for verification. You must confirm that code on your phone to prevent accidental connections, and then grant any required permissions, like remote control or media access. After approval, the app negotiates a secure link and begins syncing app data and preferences. Make sure both devices remain on the same Wi-Fi until syncing finishes. Otherwise, pairing can fail or only partially complete. To finish, test the link by launching content or using the phone as a remote. You now control playback, browse apps, and manage settings through the Google TV app. If things go wrong, first reboot your router, phone, and Android TV. This clears network hiccups and often resolves discovery problems. If the issue persists, confirm both devices use the same Google account and Wi-Fi band, update the app and TV firmware, then remove and re-pair the device to force a fresh connection.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.